experiments. Today, let's see how the covering of earth affects soil erosion. To continue with this experiment, we need large tree bottles. We have cut the bottles like these. Later, we can add some type of soil in equal amounts to each bottles. What should we do after that? Take one bottle and plant grass. In the other one, put dried decayed leaves. For the next one, don't put anything. Keep the soil open. Now, pour equal amounts of water to each like this. Here look, the soil is open. Now, I am going to pour the water. Did you see the color of the water? It is dark brown. Now, to the one with decayed leaves. What can you say? It is less darker than the first one. Let's try the one with grass. Here, we can get clear water. Now, can you tell what does this experiment reveal? Exactly correct. Yes, when there is a cover on soil, soil erosion is less. Thank you.